Hey there, it's Molly here with Design Loves Detail, and I've got some exciting stuff today, which is a new space that we've been working on and a lot of tips for you, and tricks and secrets, all this stuff. So we have a ton of exciting content that's in partnership with Walmart, which is cool because they have a massive end of season clearance. So there's some nuts deals, like really, really good deals. And I know sometimes it's like a little bit intimidating to order online when you haven't seen stuff. So I bought a lot of things so I can show you in person. And we are gonna be just doing like a whole bunch of different room setups, well, 2 or 3 different room setups for things that are in these collaborations. And I want to show you kind of like behind the scenes as well as give you a little preview of some of these items because I think some of them are going to sell out because the prices are so good. Yeah, so Walmart has been a big partner of ours and we're grateful for them and all of the new product that they're rolling out. It's been really fun to see, all the new lines they've done. This rug right here is from the new Miranda Lambert collection. It's kind of a fun plaid and reminds me of the more expensive Loloi one. I think that was like 79 bucks or something like that. So anyway, I will link everything in description for you so that you can shop and get these things while they are available. A lot of this product is Walmart, like this bedding is from the Gap Home collection. It's just like a jersey quilted bedspread. Also, I've gotten a ton of requests for like dorm room stuff. So this stuff is like perfect for that because the price point's great. I feel like the quality is good too for the prices. So that really is good bang for your buck at college, especially with, gosh, it's like creeping right up. I can't believe it's almost August. When this video goes live too, I will have over on my blog images of this that you can check out. We're filming it before the blog post, but it will when you guys get it after it's edited and stuff. Anyways, I layered it with this really cute blanket. This is one I picked up. I think it was TJ Maxx or Home Goods, just like for a little bit of texture and detail. Love that. This tray is a cute one to just go just about anywhere. Coffee table on a bed like this. Really nice for like if you are setting up a guest room. It feels very bougie to have a guest tray with like books, maybe some snacks for your guests, whatever. That's a good deal and I like the size of it. And then that texture that it adds brings a little bit of woven detail. Just did really affordable sheets. These are from I guess these were Target. What's that line they have? Essentials? Something Essentials. Really inexpensive. But these pillows, how cute are these pillows? I feel like these are kind of like making the space right now. And they are Walmart and they're like $17. Don't quote me on the prices. Just like check the links, I'm going off of memory here, but I swear they're like a really good deal. And I like the fill in them. They are, my employee Shandon made these look so perfect, so I don't want to mess them up, but they have a really nice fill as you can see. They're not like just that basic poly fill. You can karate chop them and get them looking real fresh. So I love these and they're reversible. So this side is lighter and it has, I don't know, this reminds me of some of the Studio McGee pillows. You know how they have those textured ones, like textiles? Like buy these pillows, I love them. Anyway, the back's super cute too. It's more of the khaki with white accents. So really neutral, but still has like some interest. I think that they're giving this bed the pop it needs because it is very subtle. I love zen colors. And then this headboard, this is probably like the deal of the day because it is a queen size under 100. It's like 94 bucks. They have a king, a Cal King, a twin, I think they have all the sizes. They have other colors, also from the Gap Home collection. The Gap Home collection is good because it's like Gap style at Walmart prices. Like how do we get a better combo? I don't know. Oh, P.S. You're gonna notice something here in about 2 seconds as Ben's zooming out. This is kind of a behind the scenes deal here because this is, you think, a bedroom, but if you glance that away, yeah, that's my freaking kitchen. This is our living room. We just kind of had to pretend because I'm out of spaces. Our house is little, so we made a bedroom. We have the photo shoot tomorrow, so anyway, that's why we just had to improvise. But I'll press on with the tour, even though it's a little bit of a scam. The products are not a scam. Products are good. Oh, we've got a kid coming in. So over here by the window, you'll notice this bench, which I am obsessed with this bench. I had seen this before, but Walmart has for sure the best price on it. And it looks very high end. I love the design as well as the thickness of this leather weave on the top. It's nice and thick straps and just the quality and detail really impressed me. When we got it, I was just ecstatic. And it came assembled, right, Ben? Yeah, it comes all in one piece. So love this. And it's got a good length. This would be really cute at the end of a bed. It fits so perfectly in this window nook. I wanted it here, but it'd be cute to use at the end of a bed. You could use it almost in place of a coffee table, something like that as well. And then this tree, another favorite one. You can get this at Walmart in a few different sizes. I think it's 2 or 3 different heights. This is the biggest one. And then this basket here is really cute too because it kind of has some different, color to it. And then the faux leather handle. This is one from the new Jenny Mars collection. You guys know I love Jenny Mars. Also, she follows me on Instagram and it was like the best day of my life when I discovered that. She told me I helped her find her range. How cool is that? She's really cute if you haven't seen her show on HGTV. They do, her and her husband, Dave and Jenny Mars. One day we're gonna be friends. Just wait, I'm gonna put that in the universe. She's very talented, I love her. Anyway, moving along. So really cute stuff, some good rugs I've ordered as well that are coming. Can't wait to show you those. These are a cute little side chest. Again, you can get these from Walmart and it's mango wood, which I love mango wood. Sorry if that was rustling, I was touching my hair. Also the tree.
You in the forest?
Feels like. Got some background noise today, filming with kids at home because it's summer. So anyways, these nightstands, super cute. And we had it in a corner and used it for our printer stand. It's been great. So it's actually full of school supplies. That's fun. But it was great for a nightstand here, coming over to the other side. And then this artwork I think is sold out. It's one that I had from, it's like a Studio McGee Target piece. And I didn't really do anything on this side. It would be cute to match it, but I think we only have one lamp and one of those. So this is just a spot for me to stand. There's no reason for me to have ever come over here. Just end the video now. Oh, we'll tell you a secret. I have this here because this is normally here. We have like this is where that, you know where I film here all the time, you guys know. I wonder if anybody noticed when we first started filming that this was the living room. I feel like it was a real good hidden.
We haven't filmed here in a while though, because we always film in the chairs.
Oh yeah, we kind of switched, but I used to film in here on that rattan like daybed thing, you remember? That's what's normally here. And so this cabinet is also normally here. And when I do this, when I have to like transform a room, I haven't had to do this a lot yet, but we're just out of spaces. I sort of almost try to like do as minimal as I can in some ways, like so I just left this. So we'll see if we can get around it. I might have to end up moving it, but that now you know some of the secrets. Sometimes you just get like really cool product and you want to feature it and you are out of bedrooms, so you make one. That is sort of one of the things about my job is you have to be very creative. I don't know why I'm telling these. I don't think this is very useful information. Ben's asking if we're done. How about this? Why don't you guys tell me if you have questions about my job? If you want to know any more things. Tell me if you want to know any more behind the scenes things. You want to know the secrets, like what we do to make the magic happen? Let me know. In stories, I just saw a little thread here. I'm keeping it looking nice, Ben. Just the details, that's part of my name. He's just staring at me like I'm crazy. It's our anniversary today. Ben and I have been married 16 years, which is actually kind of crazy. He wrote me a letter and I accidentally didn't see it because I'm blind. I had my, you know, I've said this before. A lot of problems happen because I can't see. So it was very early in the morning. It was still dark outside and I didn't have my glasses on. Apparently he had put this very sweet note on top of my phone. Well, I got my phone to see what time it was and somehow the letter remained on the nightstand. I got up to get some water. I, again, still not seeing, set my water on top of it. Eventually he gets home from the gym and was, I think, disappointed to find I didn't find his cute letter because it was really actually one of his best notes. And anyway, he came home and said, I made you a coaster because I accidentally was using this letter as a coaster without even realizing it. There's often things on my nightstand, but anyway, it was a really cute note. So I enjoyed it and we were gonna go have dinner because he actually made a dinner reservation. He's rolling his eyes, but I'm actually very thankful. I wasn't counting on it, I'll be honest. 16 years, you know, there's a lot that could be overlooked, but this guy made dinner reservations and a coaster, so we good. Anyway, that's all I have. It's pretty cute in here. I feel like I did a good job. Shandon helped out on this one. Our new, we're deciding his title, creative director or something like that. He helped out, got it looking nice in here and had to do a Target run. So that's what's happening in today's day in the life because somehow the video got hijacked by my life. Good stuff from Walmart though. Check it out in description. And also be sure to subscribe because if you haven't yet, now in community tab, we can post links there for you. And I have been sharing some of the like top deals. So get them before they sell out. And if you subscribe, you get notified every day. And notifications are hit and miss, but it does help. So definitely subscribe and hit that bell so that you can have your best shot at getting first notification of the deals and new videos. So we also have our blog where you can see more pictures of this room, designlovesdetail.com, and our newsletter, which will be, you can sign up for emails, and that will be something that we are, with our new employee, getting better at to getting deals sent there. So a lot of growth, a lot of excitement, and we're happy that you guys are along for the journey. Let me know what you think about the room and the Walmart finds. Get the headboard. It's under 100 bucks. If you need a headboard, that's the one. I highly recommend. It's nice. Can't beat that. I'll see you next time. It's like my first video.
You're the worst.
Thank you guys for watching and I will see you next time.